the town. Especially when everybody hears about the gold. The gold? Quiet down about the gold, Blossom.
We don't need everyone hearing about the gold the mayor found. Once people start to hear about that, everyone's gonna swarm Rock Bottom Springs. Bad folk, too.
Speaking of bad folk, Sheriff, just the other day I heard Mrs. Beaker talking to her son Johnny, and he said that his best friend's younger sister Sylvia said that her great uncle's cousin's niece said that her great grandmother said that she saw Black Bart heading on a trail north from Ririe to Rock Bottom Springs.
Oh, shoot, that just sounds like crazy rumors. Don't y'all folks worry. Nothing excitable or offensive ever happens in Rock Bottom Springs. Shoot, sometimes I even forget to strap on old Bessie here. I suppose I should go see what happened over there. Intentions to this podunk little town.
Oh, wait a minute, boss. Don't you think Sheriff's gonna come looking?
Don't you worry, Gus. I done my homework. This town sheriff ain't nothing to fear. Nothing excitable or offensive ever happens in Rock Bottom Springs. He probably forgot to strap on his smoke wagon this morning.
Well, I hope so.
Now, why don't you two check out this crowd and see if they got any of that gold we heard so much about?
I've got it! Got what? Her phone number!
Dagnabbit, Gus, we're supposed to be looking for gold!
Oh, yeah.
Of all the people I could get stuck with.
Hey, you! Where's your lunch money? Send your mom to your lunch money. I'm gonna check your pocket.
Gold! Goldfish! I saw it! It jumped! That high!
Hey, Gus! You reckon we should check that bag for some gold?
Oh, yeah, good idea, boss.
Ma'am! You keep that in your bag?
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Yeah, give those folks their stuff back!
Didn't your mamas ever teach you that stealing stuff is bad?
Only thing my ma ever taught me was to brush twice daily.
Sheriff! Help!
Get her, Gus!
Oh!
Hey!
Oh, Gus, did they hurt you? Oh. Come here, Gus.
No!
Get your big girl panties on. We got business to take care of.
Yes, sir.
All right, now you just give them folks their valuables back and let them girls go and we'll be on our way.
I don't think so, Sheriff. I'm Black Bart. I'm the meanest, dirtiest, low-downest, baddest, and fastest hombre around.
Boo!
There ain't no man or town big enough to stop me.
And don't forget the smelliest, boss.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm the wait, I ain't smelly.
Well, you remember that time up Kelly's Canyon when you ate all them beans and drank all that lemonade and you just bloated up.
Enough! I ain't smelly. We're taking these girls with us, and there's only one way you can stop us.
All right, just give them folks their valuables back and we'll settle this like men.
Hey, Gus!
What?
Where you going?
Well, the sheriff didn't forget his gun.
Get over here. Get. Tell you what, Sheriff, if if you can take my partner here, you can have a go at me. But from what I hear, you ain't got it in ya.
No.
Now, don't you raise that gun, Gus.